Hey, welcome. So this is day number 39 of the 100-day video challenge, and today I will do another unboxing of another component. So in the video, I think the day before yesterday, I was unboxing here the case for the new PC, and now I'm unboxing what is this, cooling item. Now the CPU has not arrived yet. The CPU has shipping delays because I don't know where in the world it's coming from, but shipments and postal services are all with very much delays at the moment. But this has arrived, and tomorrow I think another thing will arrive. So this component here, I will open it right now. It's from Noctua, and Noctua is a manufacturer of cooling equipment. Now the CPU that I ordered comes with a cooler, actually, a default cooler, but I've read various articles that especially if you do a lot of video editing, the load is very high on the CPU, and so the CPU has a lot of load to carry and gets hot, and it's important to have a good cooling system that can cope with that. The default cooling system that comes with the CPU will work, but it was advised by many to upgrade that to a better cooling system. And the cooling systems it's not the most expensive part of the PC. So I did decide to go with an upgrade here. So I ordered a cooler from Noctua, which is supposedly a very good one and is able to cool down the CPU. So let me see, this is mounting accessories. I won't open that right now. I'll do that when I actually install everything and build everything. So let's see how the actual cooling component looks like. Wow. So that's why you need a tower, a case like this, so you have space for the air to flow through and do its cooling job. And this is the fan that goes with it. So actual cooling component, and that's pretty big. I'll have to show you this again once the CPU arrives to see how the size. So this is the fan, and the cooling pipes, and this is the bottom that sits on top of the CPU. So the CPU is like that square, and this is the whole cooling unit. Pretty impressive, and that goes into this case here. So, alright, it looks good. Looks good. So I'll have to study the instructions for building all this together, but that should all work. There's always YouTube University you can go to, and you'll be able to learn everything there. So, alright. So that was the second component of the CPU that I'm building in order to do some video marketing for SalesVision. So that was it for today. I will come up with the next components and then do some videos about building everything together, so that we'll be all ready and set for some great video content. Alright, stay tuned. Have a good evening and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.